Hello, we're here today with the latest product to the line, which is the pressurised Makinex water sprayer for use with any cutting tools such as the steel HTS 410, 420 or the Husqvarna saws. There's a lot of features and benefits to this tool which you don't get with your standard pressurised container. So we have here the budget model. It's a well recognised 16 litre container, pressurised container. Very good piece of kit. It's cheap, easy to use, but it does mean, with the fact that you're pressurising it via the handle at the top, that cutting correctly and keeping the dust down does become a two-man job. You've got one man on the container continually pumping it, and you've got the other guy on the saw. With this new Makinex pressurised container, that all goes away. Now, this is filled via the hose from a tap. It's got to be from a tap, can't be from a bowser, but it fills the two chambers inside, gives you 14 litres of water and approximately 30 minutes of continuous water flow to your saw, which you can plug and go. One person can do the job without having someone else there to pump the container to ensure continual flow of water. So it's just two heavy duty bladders inside. Uses technology similar to a water bomb, where it's just pressurising that water back out of the container at a constant flow rate to connect straight into your TS 410, 420 petrol saw or similar. Other good features and benefits of this new container is there's no battery, there's no mechanical parts. We do stock a range of spare accessories such as the hose, connectors, etc., which may be broken in the course of its life. But apart from that, there's nothing complicated. There's nothing likely to go wrong with the piece of kit. It's just there to be used day in, day out. With 14 litres of water inside, it's still very easy to move around the site. Can be carried from the top or can be carried from the side. So it's very accessible and very portable around the site. Take the tool to your work and cut safely, and ensuring cutting down on silica dust and other nasties that can cause you harm.